So I'm here to answer some questions again regarding the GCash SoundPay Plus. Okay, so nagkakaw kayo yung terminal, pero ayun, hawak ko pa rin yung box. Nandito pa rin yung box. And, diretso na tayo. Very first question, saan daw magsa-sign up? This is, magsa-sign up ka na lang sa business.gcash.com/registration. Yun yung website nila. Pero, if there are like, parang business offers and then meron si GCash doon, I would suggest na pumunta kayo doon sa mga booths nila to ask for the GCash SoundPay Plus kasi parang mas madali nyo rin maintindihan, ma-explain din sa inyo ng agent nila kung paano kayo mag-apply and such. And then second question is, ilang days bago dumating yung withdraw? This 1 to 3 business days dapat. Kapag nasaktuhan kayo ng weekends, 1 to 5 business days siya. So, kunyari card payment yung customer ninyo, ganun, makukuha nyo siya like within 3 or 5 days. Kapag naman via QR payment, usually within 1 day, meron na rin siya. Okay, so number 3 is, may subscription ba like other terminals? Wala naman. I'm not sure kasi kung anong subscription yun kasi hindi na nag-reply yung nagtatanong sa akin. Pero ayun, wala naman siyang subscription. Number 4 is, may fees ba per transaction? Yes. Parang, just like other terminals, meron pa rin siyang fees, percentage, ganun. You really have to read the terms and conditions. And then, number 5, lastly, may bayad po ba yung terminal kapag nag-request ka? Sa akin, as of this date na pag-shoot ko nito, this July 2026, wala naman akong binayaran. The past few months, wala naman akong binayaran. Nung nag-request ako ng terminal, nung dineliver sa kanyang terminal, wala naman silang request na bayad. As in, libre lang siya kapag nag-request ka. So, ayan pa lang, 5 top questions that I could answer now. If may other questions pa kayo, feel free to comment lang, and I'll do my best to answer each of them. Ayun lang. Pero hindi talaga ako pwedeng magturo. Kasi, isa lang talaga yung registration niya. Unless pwede kayo magpaturo sa mga, kapag pumunta kayo sa mga business, parang mga business events, ganun, ituturo naman ng agent sa inyo. Okay, so